Okay, so how was your sleep? It was always fine. Uh, okay. Ooh, let's see it's about. Oh my god. What oh my god? Why you say oh my god? Say, back at his indoraptor. He's attacking on our car. What? Really? You're talking that indoraptor is our car's back? Yeah, I saw him. Please run quickly, otherwise indoraptor will hit us. Yeah, but how? Otherwise it will happen something dash and we can't become safe. Come on now, friend. Indoraptor had put his hand ready to attack. Whoa! Hey! Indoraptor had put hand on it. Hey! I told you that go fast and you didn't listen. Run! He attacked! He's attacking on the wheel! Please! Whoa! Indoraptor is sitting on the car. Before he sits, then we have to run. He's hitting there! He's hitting the main board! He's hitting the dashboard! Please go! Let's run! He did attack!